video from the channel. This time we check how to set work profile on Android, so let's start. I'm here on Android settings, just scroll down and let's go to accounts and sign. Just click there. When you're here, just scroll down again and go to add an account. So just click there. You will select an account, in this case it's Google, so just click here. Just wait a little bit until the Android check the information. You write your email address and then just click on next. Right, when you do it, just go back and then go to Google. Here on Google, just select all services. Then when you're here on all services, just scroll down and then just go to set up Nervy device. Just click here, just press next and just wait a little bit until this appears. So that's the way to set up our work profile on Android. It's very easy to do it. So I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.